This was pretty much lunch for the workers in the field. Now, it's a snack, a very portable snack. I think this is the Americanized version of musubi, spam musubi, just basically like an onigiri. But it's like a hot dog, I would say. You've got the mystery meat on top of your carbs wrapped around. It's basically a hot dog with egg and spam and rice. So not all the same components, but you get the point. These are meant to travel well, so you could take them anywhere, like on a train, for example.
Matt, what do you prefer for you?
Which one is original?
That's the original. Is it
Original right here. Perfect. Do
the yellow one is an egg.
original and a tamago.
Tuna.
And then any umeboshi? Oh, umeboshi.
Umeboshi, yeah. No. Oh, sister. That is a 400.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Spam. Damn.